Driving without insurance might seem like a way to save money, but the risks far outweigh any short-term savings. In most places, it's illegal to drive uninsured, and the penalties can be severe. If you're caught, you could face hefty fines, license suspension, and even having your car impounded. In some states, repeat offenders can face jail time. That's just the legal side of things. Now, imagine getting into an accident without insurance. If you're at fault, you'll be personally responsible for all damages and medical bills. That could mean tens of thousands of dollars, or more, coming directly out of your pocket. Even if the other driver is at fault, not having insurance could make it much harder to recover costs for your own injuries and vehicle damage. On top of all that, once you do try to get insurance again, your rates will likely skyrocket because you'll be seen as a high-risk driver. So while skipping insurance might feel like an easy way to cut costs, the reality is it puts you at huge financial and legal risk. Car insurance isn't just a piece of paper, it's protection. Without it, one mistake could turn into a financial nightmare. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.